I need to do the trick.
Yeah. Big box. Dad, put the camera down. Who was it could be?
What'd you get?
It's Paw Patrol.
Did you get a new helmet for your bicycle? Whoa, Wally, you're excited.
Awesome, Henry.
Henry, who's it from? It's from Grandpa Stan and Grandma Janet. Henry, can you say thank you?
Thank